Our words to know.
Words to know.
Let me put that up just a little.
Words to know.
There we go.
Addition problem. Frames. Monkey.
Addition problem. 10 frames. Monkey.
You can make a 10 to help you add 9.
So you can make a 10 to help you add 9. What do you think that means? Looking at our 10 frames that we have 2 sets of 10 frames. What do you think that means, Kanaya?
I think that means that you adding to 10.
Okay, how are we going to be adding to 10? Who can elaborate on what? Kanaya, Demi?
Like it's 9 in the first 10 frame, and they want to make they're trying to make 10, so they add more.
Excellent. So we need to make 10 in our first 10 frames to add up, right?
Yes.
How many are in the first 10 frames, though? CJ? 9. So that's what it means.
Keontae, no
Make 10
thank
to
you.
help you add
Leah,
9.
turn around.
So right now what it looks like is our equation. We count, we have 9, so we have, let's count in here. We know, wait, we're not going to count because we know how many are in the first row? 5. So we add up to 6. So we have 6 in our second row. We have 9. So our equation looks like it's 9 plus 6. So we're going to have to make this, complete this one, right? Because this one only needs to fill one more in, right? So we're probably going to have to move one of this up here to make it to a 10 and then add up. So let's see what it says.
What is the addition problem you are solving?
Okay, so I gave that answer. Let's see who remembers it, though. What is the addition problem you are solving, Lathan?
9 and 6.
I need the addition.
9 plus 6.
There you go. You gave me the parts. Okay, excellent. So 9 plus 6.
9 plus 6 is the addition problem. How do the 10 frames show this addition problem?
How do the 10s frame show this addition problem, Leah?
Because there's not a red circle and no circle.
Excellent. So it shows the different, what's the special word we're looking for? Who know? No, it shows the different.
Problem?
One more. Let me give you one more try. No, okay.
Different part?
Excellent.
Yeah.
It shows the different parts. One part is 9, the other part is 6. So our first 10 frame has 9, which is our first part, and our 6 is the second part, which is the second one. So if we're adding our 2 parts together, what are we trying to find? We're adding both our parts together. What are we trying to find, Tyler?
The whole.
The whole. Excellent. And what's another word for the whole? It's the sum. The sum is the answer to an addition problem.
Each 10 frame shows one of the add-ins.
All right? So another word for parts in an addition sentence is add-ins. So these are also known as add-ins. They're known as what?
Add-ins.
Add-ins. Excellent. So we know 9 and 6 are part of the whole, right?
Yeah.
But they're also add-ins to find the sum. Okay? And who remembers what the sum is? Other than Germany, because I know Germany knows. She told me what it was. What is the sum? I don't want the answer. I want to. What does the sum mean?
The sum means the answer.
The answer. So what does it mean, Aronte?
The answer.
Excellent. So everyone, what does the sum mean?
The answer.
Right. It's the answer. So you got the add-ins, which will give us the answers. What will give us the answer?
The add-ins.
Excellent. You guys got this.
The first 10 frame shows 9.
Right. So we know there's 9 in the first one.
The second 10 frame shows 6.
And then there's 6 in our second one.
Look at both 10 frames.
I can see him. You see him? You see him? Awesome.
I could see it when I was doing
Which counter should you move to solve the problem?
Alright, so which counter are we going to move to help us solve the problem? Let's see who was listening because I gave away a lot of these answers at the start. William.
We took away one counter and we have 10.
Okay, which one are we taking away from? Are we taking from this one or this one? From the red counters or the yellow counters?
Yellow counter.
Yellow counters. And where are we going to put it?
In the last box with the red.
Excellent. We're going to put it in the last box. I like how you said that. That was very clear. We're going to put it in the last box with the red counters. So if we take this out here, we're going to move it up here, okay?
One of the counters from the 10 frame with 6 counters or the bottom 10 frame.
Okay, good job, William.
Where should you move the counter?
Okay, well, William said that, but let me just have someone repeat it. Rondez? You got it. Where are we going to move this last counter?
Leave it. Cut it out.
The next square.
Wait, say, I can't hear you. You got to put your hands down. Use your teacher voice. Use your teacher voice.
To the next square.
So move it here.
Yeah.
William, can you tell them what you said? It's okay. I don't think Rondez heard you. So can you just tell them what you said?
We put the last yellow circle with the red circle.
Excellent.
Box.
Excellent. So Rondez, can you say that? Can you repeat that?
The last.
Oh wait, hands down, teacher voice. Come on, Rondez. I know you got one strong teacher voice. Let's go.
Oh, no.
Take the glass yellow, okay? Then what? Let's pretend I picked it up. Where am I gonna put it? I know you know it. Just say it. Where am I going to put it? Am I going to put it here? Am I going to put it here? Am I going to put it here?
Yeah.
Okay, so where is that?
The
The last square is which 10 frame? The top one or the bottom one? Excellent. See, you have this. I don't know why you got shy. So we're going to pick up this one and put in the last 10 frames in the top one. Excellent job.
Move it to the 10 frame with 9 counters or the top 10 frame.
Good job. William and Rondez.
Move one counter from 6 to 9.
So just like Rondez and William said, we're going to move this bottom one on the last one on the bottom 10 frame up to the top one, the last open square.
How does that help you make 10?
So how does that help us make 10s? Larry?
Because we put one yellow circle up there with the red.
And how many do we now have in the top 10 frame?
10.
Excellent. So by moving this up here, we completed our 10th frame, right? And when we have counters in each 10th frame, how many do we have? Everyone?
10.
10. Excellent. We have 10 because it's complete.
After you move the counter, there are 10 counters in the top 10 frame. How do you know to move only one counter to make 10?
How do we know that we were only going to move one? How do we know we were only going to move one? London?
Because you make it 10.
Go ahead, say that again. I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Could you say that again using your teacher voice?
Because we make it 10.
Excellent, because we're making 10. And there was, but how do we know we only had to move one though? How many were empty?
One.
Excellent, exactly. There was only one square empty. So we only had to move how many counters?
One.
One. Good job, guys.
One answer is there was only one empty space in the 10 frame that had 9 counters. 1 more than 9 is 10.
So what's 9 plus 1? What's 1 more than 9? Okay.
10.
And
Now you have 10 and 5.
so we have 10 and 5. What do you think the new addition problem is going to be? What do you think the new addition problem is going to be, Amaya? No, the new addition problem.
10 plus 5.
Excellent. 10 plus 5 equals. So we have 10 up here and 5 down here.
Do you still have the total number of counters you started with?
Do we still have 9 red ones and 6 yellow ones? If you say yes, put your hand on your head. If you say no, put your hand on your belly. You think we have 9? If you think we still have 9 red counters and 6 yellow counters, yes is on your head, no is on your belly. All right, let's count how many red counters we have. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Do we have 9? All right, let's count our yellow counters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do we have 6?
Yes.
So the answer should have been yes.
Oh.
All right.
Yes, the total is the same.
Good. All eyes up here.
How do you know?
How do you know? So what did we just do to figure it out, Leah?
Count the red counters and then count the yellow counters.
Exactly, we counted them. We counted the, what are they called? What is the special word I just taught you? What are they called? What do we call?
Cart.
No. There's a new word I just taught you. Lathan?
Adding.
Excellent. We counted the add-ins.
One answer is that no counters were removed or added from the whole.
Okay, so that means we didn't add any more new counters, did we?
No.
No. Did we take away any?
No.
No, we just moved one counter to the top 10 frame, right?
Yes.
Yep. That's all we did.
One counter only moved. One 10 frame will have one more counter.
So the only difference now is one 10 frame is completed, right? And the other one isn't.
The other will have one fewer counter.
So this one, how many counters did this one originally have? When we first started off, how many did this have? How many did the bottom one have? Tyler? 6. Does it have 6 now? Tyler? No. So that's one fewer. How many did this one have when we started off? How many did this one have when we started off, Donasia? 9. And does it have 9 now? No. It has how many? 10. There's
10
one more.
plus 5 is the same as 9 plus 6.
So you guys see that how 10 plus 5 is the same as 9 plus 6?
Yes.
Yes. Because 10 is 1 more than 9, and 5 is 1 less than 6.
What is the sum of 10 plus 5?
What is the sum? What is the sum of 10 plus 5, Deontay?
10 plus 5.
He's using his resources. Go ahead, Kathy. You're doing the right thing. Use your resources.
Yeah. 10 plus 5 more.
Just give me one second.
13.
So we have put up 10 fingers, Keontae. Okay? And then I'm going to add 5 to yours. So add them, count them up now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
What do you think the answer will be?
15.
Excellent
Yay.
job. The sum of 10 plus 5 is 15.
Mm-hmm.
The sum is 15.
Yes.
Got it. Good job.
What is the sum of 9 plus 6?
So then if 10 plus 5 equals 15, what do you think the sum of 9 plus 6 is, Tyler? 15, because they're almost the same, right?
Yes. They have the same sum.
Because they have the same number of counters.
The sum is also 15.
Excellent job.
the sums are the same.
I think I heard Leah say that. So yeah, the sums are the same. But also they have, if you were to use counters, it would have the same amount of counters, right?
10 plus 5 equals 15. So 9 plus 6 equals 15.
Alright? So 10 plus 5 equals 15. You know 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Because again, 10 is one more than 9, and 5 is one less than 6.
How do the 10 frames and counters show that 10 plus 5 has the same sum as 9 plus 6?
Okay, this is a long one. Let's see, Jeremy, give it a shot. What do you think?
Because you had said we had 9 and we added one more, so that makes sense. So the bottom one is 5, so the addition problem was 10 plus 5, so it's 15.
Excellent. Wow, that was very well said. She said, I'm going to rephrase what Jeremy said, okay? She said when we started off, we had 9 in the first 10 frame and 6 in the second 10 frame. But when we moved one of the counters up to the first 10 frame, we got our new equation of 10 plus 5. So the amount of counters that we have, is it the same?
Yes.
Yes. Let me try and ask that. Is the amount of counters we have still the same?
Yes.
There you go. Because we still have 9 red ones and 6 yellow ones, right?
Yes.
The only difference is one counter moved up to the top 10 frame, right?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, London, for paying attention.
Yes. Yes.
One answer is there are still the same number of counters altogether, no matter how the counters are arranged.
See? So no matter how we arrange them, we still have the same amount of counters. How many counters do we have altogether? How many counters do we have all together? You just solved this. You just solved this all together. How many counters do we have? William? Excellent. We have 15 counters all together. Remember, all together means you add it all up, okay? So I saw somebody putting up 6.
Now you know how to make a 10 to help you add 9.
So we don't have enough time to practice because we have to get going to specials. Alright? So maybe when we come back we might have some extra time. So I need everyone to quietly, when I give you the count, to line up so that we can head off to specials, alright?
No.